In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Fresha. It's a simple process, but changing your password regularly is an important security measure to keep your account safe and secure, so let's get started. First, you need to access your Fresha dashboard. This is the main hub where you can manage all your account settings and information. If you're not already there, just log in as you usually do. Once you've landed there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will either see your profile photo or your initials. It's small but easy to identify. Click on this area to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Personal Settings. Go ahead and click on Personal Settings. This section is designed to help you customize and manage your personal information and preferences, and it's where you'll find further options to secure your account. After you've clicked Personal Settings, look for the Login and Security option. This area is particularly important because it houses all the features that help protect your account, including password management. Click on Login and Security, and you'll be taken to a new screen that's focused primarily on security measures. Now, find the button that says Change Password. Once you click on it, you will see fields that prompt you to enter your current password. Go ahead and type in your current password. This step is crucial to verify your identity and ensure that only you can make changes to your account. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to create a new one. Choose something that's secure but still memorable for you. A good password generally includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, and ideally, it's a password you haven't used before. Type your new password into the next field, and then type it again in the Verify Password field. This double entry is necessary to confirm that you haven't made a typographical error and ensures the system records your new password accurately. After you've done this, find the Change Password button and go ahead and click it. This action will update your account with the new password you've just created, thereby completing the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Fresha. Remember, securing your account is crucial, and changing passwords regularly is a simple yet powerful step in safeguarding your personal information. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Stay safe and see you in the next video.